10 हो गया, फर्स्ट 9 था।
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग। लग जाओगी? हाँ, पीछे से दिख रहा है? नहीं ना, ठीक है। Which chapter you want to do, children, today? Which chapter IMO you want to do?
So I will continue lines and language.
That got finished? No.
Yes, sir, it got finished yesterday.
So which chapter? I'm just telling the names, just tell me. Number system, polynomials, then coordinate geometry, linear equation in two variables.
So I will do
Linear
coordinate
equation,
geometry.
sir.
Huh? Which one? Hania?
Coordinate
Linear
geometry.
equation and
Yeah, that is single chapter only. That only will start off. Yeah. That is coordinate geometry and linear equation, two variables. And introduction to Euclid's is also there. Okay. So in that third chapter, everything is getting covered. So I'll just open that part only and do.
Sir, what, sir?
Means we'll do objective type questions based on the IMO part, based on which chapter I just asked right now. So we'll do coordinate and linear of equation in two variables. Okay. 1 minute. So you can't see the.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. So children, today we are going to start IMO based on coordinate and
Sir, we will do only IMO only. Okay.
what we'll do? Coordinate and linear equation in two variables. Okay. Two variables. So
Sir, how can we do both, sir, now?
see, in IMO part, this what I'm seeing here, that both chapter is covered under same chapter, same lesson only. Okay. That's why I'm just doing this.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Means question may come either of these two chapters. Okay. The question number 1 is on a screen. Just let in all of you on the camera. All of you on the camera, children. There are 9 people right now.
Sir, I can't say my network. I have network problem.
So see, the question number 1 is the solution of equation 2x minus 3y is equals to 7 and 4x minus 6y is equals to 20. So what would be the value of x and y? So these questions you can just simply put the value and get the answer, right? Solution means directly you can put the value and get the answer.
Sir, option D.
8 to the 16, 16 minus 15. This is coming 1, no, first only is become wrong. See, Priyanshu, option D if you put, we'll get answer as 1. 2x plus minus 3y is there, right? The 2 into
Okay, sir,
x.
we have to find 7. Okay, sir. So, sir, no solutions, right?
So answer will come no solution. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you have to read one thing in class 10th that I'm telling you right now. Okay.
Okay,
See,
sir.
if here these equations we are comparing with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equals to 0. This is the first equation. Nishant, we have to read in class 10th. And second, or polynomials you might have read, right?
Yes,
Linear equation two
What,
variables.
sir?
Linear equation two variables you have read, no? This is the standard form of the linear polynomial.
Yes, sir. Ax plus by plus c.
And
Yes,
this is
sir, yes.
a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. So this is the second equation. Okay. So we are comparing here. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, in that case we'll get intersecting lines. Means line will just, this is a coordinate, no? If you draw any lines over this, it will come in this form. It will be intersect at some point. So intersecting lines will come. Intersecting lines. And second thing is, second point is if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, what happened? Is not equal to c1 by c2. One
Sir, your
minute.
screen share is off.
Yeah, you stop choosing.
Yeah, I stopped. 1 minute. So if a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. This is the second case. This is having which lines? These are parallel lines. If you draw this one,
Sir, parallel line or non-intersecting line.
obviously it's not intersecting only. And
Yes.
third case is a1 by a2
To b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2.
is equals to b1 by b2 is equals to c1 by c2. Then which type of lines will come? Coincident line will come. Coincident means, you know,
Sir, can you repeat, sir?
coincident lines. Do you know? Anyone knows, children, what is meant by coincident lines? If both lines overlap each other. If both lines overlap each other. Suppose if I'm drawing your coordinate. Suppose this is your coordinate, okay? So what happens if certain line I'm just drawing on this is your line. And second line is also on the same line. Second line is also on the same line only, no? So that is overlapping each other. That means both line will intersect each other. Means not intersect. This is maybe all the points will be same for both the lines. So this is known as coincident lines. We call it as coincident lines. Okay.
Okay.
So first one, if lines are intersecting, then what happens? You know, it is having only one solution. At what point it meets? So only one point it meets. Okay. So intersecting lines will have only one solution. Then parallel lines have no solution. Parallel lines will have no solution. There is no answer only. If lines are parallel, it's not meeting at a single point, right? It never meets. It means that is what? Having no solution.
No solution. Certain coincident have many solutions.
Not many, infinity many solutions.
Yes,
Infinite means so many, so infinity solutions. So if you see this case, question number 1, so this is satisfying which one of the cases? First one, second one, or third one?
Intersecting line. Inside parallel lines. Sir.
Yeah, second one. If you match this one, the a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is there, but is not equal to c1 by c2. How? See, we just compare here. 2 by 4 is equals to minus 3 by minus 6 is not equal to 7 by 20. Can you say this? This both are equal only if you cancel this. So you are getting 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 is not equal to 7 by 20. So in this, among these things, this third, this part is not, this part is only coming into picture. So these are parallel lines, and parallel lines will have no solution. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear, children, to everyone?
Okay, sir.
Yes,
sir.
All right. So this you will have very much questions. 100% question you'll have in class 10th actually, this type of questions. So basic introduction you have read in class 9th, but this part you are not having in class 9th actually. But just try to understand this. Okay. So you must know all these things. Is it clear to everyone? Vivek, what happened? Vivek, today also your camera is not working, Vivek.
Yes, sir.
Why? What is the problem with you?
I don't know, sir. When I'm clicking it, it's not responding.
So actually in our this thing class, what happens if your camera is not working,
Yes, sir.
then we have to remove the children, or you should write in the chat box, "Ki we are having some problem with your camera," or something like that. Okay. 1 or 2 days fine, but every time you see if you are saying that your camera is not working or something like that, it doesn't happen. It should not happen like that. Okay.
Yes, so like I'm not using Zoom right now, sir. Suddenly after I started using it, it's not working now.
Whatever condition, maybe just check it out from your end. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Satvik,
Yes,
Sat-
sir.
what happened to you today?
Sir, I have network problems a bit, sir.
Network problem we are having.
Yes, sir.
Then I removing you, then automatically it'll get corrected. Okay. I'll just see you for 2 minutes. If your network will not get corrected, I'll just remove from the meeting. Okay. Then don't ask anything why you removed. Next, Sai Charan. You are out of station, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, you are having problem with your network also. Fine. So only Satvik is there, whom I should remove if he is not turning the camera.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Hey, no, take 2 minutes, no problem. Okay, now this first question is clear to everyone, right, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now question number 2. See the question number 2 and tell me the answer for this. L, M, and N are 3 distinct lines such that L is parallel to M and L is parallel to N. Then M
Then
is
sir,
equal.
M is also parallel to N, sir. Option D.
I'm parallel to.
Yeah.
Option D.
Yeah, this
Option
is very easy question.
So it is sir one type of property, sir. That if L is parallel to M, L is parallel to N, then
Yeah.
M is
L,
also
M,
parallel.
and
Yes, sir. If two lines are parallel to a single line, then both of them are
Ritvik,
parallel.
Hey, your mic should be a bit far, Satvik. Sai Ritvik. If you put in a mic, it's coming like loudspeaker.
Okay, sir.
Hey, keep there down only. We can hear, no problem. Sai Ritvik. Keep your mic down only. It's, you know, what is happening? It's coming loudspeaker and this one like fata hua awaaz, you know. That will happen like that. Put down and just tell something, Sai Ritvik, is coming correct or not. Down only will keep. Don't touch the mic to your mouth. Means don't bring that nearby. Just now you speak something. Sai
Sir,
Ritvik.
can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's clear. Yeah, now it's
Yes,
better.
sir.
All
Yes,
right.
sir. It has a lot of it amplifies my voice.
Okay, fine. So this answer is question number. Now second is over. Now question number 3rd. What happened, Priyanshu?
Nothing, sir. I'm saying to sir.
See, this question is bit, you have to understand and it will take time bit. Just try to understand this question. At the end of 2002, Ram was half as old as his grandpa. Okay. End of 2002 means they're talking about 2002. Ram was half as old as his grandpa. The sum of the years in which they were born is 3854. Age of Ram at the end of 2003 is what? (2002). Ram was half. If Ram is X, so grandpa will be how much? Double of this, right? 2x, correct?
Sir, answer, I think the answer will be 51 years, sir.
Don't think it's you have solved or not. You should be confident, Priyanshu.
Okay, sir, I'm confident, sir. Answer,
Okay, tell me
C,
how
sir.
how to do this.
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, we can say, sir, let the age of
Hmm,
Ram at the end of 2002 is
hmm.
X.
Okay,
Then, sir, 2X is the age of grandpa.
okay, fine.
Then, sir, sum of the year, sir.
Sum of the year is equal to 13854. So what you should do for this?
Yes, sir.
Then what you should do? Sum of the
Sir,
years
so
which
we have to, sir, sum of the year, sir, we have to first do, sir, 2002 minus X, then, sir, 2002 minus 2X equal to 3854.
1 minute. 2002 minus X.
Yes, sir. Plus 2002 minus 2X.
Okay, is equal to
Sir, what is written? 3854.
you're getting this much. Why we are adding this both?
Sir, because, sir, sum of the year is, sir, 2000, na, sir. Sir, when,
Why you are subtracting this X? That you just tell me here. Why you're subtracting this X? That is correct. I'm not saying this is wrong. But how you're doing this, I'm asking the trick. Hmm. You know the
sir,
concept
I'm
or
adding, na, sir, year, sir.
huh?
Of, sir, Ram of the end at the minus X, na, sir. And the age of grandpa at 2X, sir. So
So
I'm just, sir,
why you are minus you are doing that? I'm asking here. 2002 means in year 2002 Ram was X years old and grandpa is 2X years old. So why you're subtracting here? That I'm not getting. Why you're subtracting? Do
sir,
you
because, sir,
because to get the answer?
what, sir?
To get the answer, we are subtracting.
No, sir.
Then what is the reason behind it?
Sir, like, how can I say, sir, but
Oh,
I'm getting.
okay, fine. I'm telling you. Okay. See, children, this first line, what is there? That is everything is clear. This one, children, Rahul is X years and grandpa is 2X. That is correct. Now, some of the years in which they born. So Rahul, if suppose Sahil, to you right now your age is 12 years, suppose, and 2002. This is the year is 2002, and your age is how much? 12 years, right? So when you will be born, 2002 minus your age, you will do that much only year you will born, right? So 2002 minus X. So that's why we are just writing here 2002 minus X when
Yes,
Ram
sir.
born, and 2002 minus 2X when
Yes, sir, I'm
grandpa
doing, sir,
born.
like that, sir. But, sir, how can I tell to you, sir, like that?
Correct. Fine. Okay. So next, children, you can solve easily. 2002 plus 2002 means 4004 minus 3x is equals to 3854. So minus 3x is equals to 3854 minus 4004. Okay. Now on subtraction, what do you get? Minus 3x is equals to what do you get?
Sir, minus, sir,
150.
I'm canceling, sir. Minus of 3x,
No,
sir, and
first minus what will come? 100
150.
sir, 50,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Minus 1.
minus 150. So now minus will get cancelled. You'll get x is equal to 50,
Yes,
no?
sir. 50, yes, sir.
15, sir.
Yes, sir. First.
50. So
Then, sir,
50.
end of the year of 2003, sir, the age of Ram will be,
Acha.
sir, 50 plus 1.
Correct. The end of 2003 they are asking. In 2002 Ram's age will be x. The 2003 Ram age will be
X plus 1.
51. Very good. That also one thing you should take one step more. Yes, correct. It's clear, no? This question was good. This
Yes.
was very good question.
Sir, but, sir, this type of question is in 8th only, sir, not in the 9th.
8th. I have not
Yes,
read till
sir.
now only. Till now, I have not read this type of question. You have read in class 8th only.
Yes, sir, but, sir, it is not in 9th, sir, this type of question.
Okay. 8th, I don't know. But nice question. Good question was good. Next question is So this question also is, we should think this one. This question is also will take time. Question number. Nishant, you got that question? Answer, Nishant.
Yes, sir.
Satvik, your camera is not working. Still. Satvik. Shriyanvi on the camera. Shriyanvi. Can you hear me? Shriyanvi and Satvik. To see the average age of 11 members of a cricket team reduces by 2 when 2 players of age 30 and 32 leave the team and 2 new players of equal age join to it. The average age of 11 members of a team reduces by 2. So anyone tell me how to do this question? Average age of 11 members of a cricket team reduces by 2 when 2 players of age 30 and 32 leave the team. Shriyanvi, can you hear me? Shriyanvi. Shriyanvi, can you hear me? Nihar. You're solving, Hania?
Trying to.
Okay, okay, fine.
Sir, I got the answer.
What is the answer?
20 years. Sir.
20 years. Okay. Anyone else?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Why you joined late today?
Sir, that boot camp.
What? Woot app?
Sir, boot camp.
What is boot camp?
Sir, it's a AI boot camp, sir. They teach about AI in that.
Acha, acha. I thought Woot app.
No, sir.
Big Boss you watched?
Sir, I don't even know what's that.
Don't know what is Big Boss.
No, sir, I've heard about it. Some Salman Khan is there and all, but then I don't know much.
Acha.
Sir, I didn't even understand this question.
The
sir.
answer is 20, sir, I think. But I'm not so sure.
Okay, fine, fine.
Sir, I don't. Sir, could you solve this? Sir, I'm not understanding.
Question you are understanding or not? The average of 11
I can't
members.
understand
The question is under, sir. Question I'm on. Sir, wait, sir. Let me read it fully.
– 11 members are there, right? The average of 11 members. How you have done, Sahil? Tell me.
Sir, I thought like if the average age of 11 members of a cricket team reduces by 2 means the average is reducing by 2. So if the age of the players are 30 and 32, if we subtract both, we are getting the same as like 2 average. And like I substituted the answers. So like if we add 20 each, so we will get 40, which is like
Okay, okay,
less.
okay.
So
So Nihar, you can't. You can try this. See, first of all, new players are joining. The new players age will be just let two players are joining means X and X will be age of the new players, right?
So it
Correct.
will be 30 and 32 only, no? It's
No, we don't
given-
equal age means they're joining. I don't know 32 or 32, X or 30 or 30. We don't know, whatever
Yes,
it is.
yes, so that is.
So instead of these two players, no, they are moving out, right? They are moving out and these two players are coming in. We don't know the age of these two players, okay? So suppose old age members will be there. Their average is some anything will let the X or not X. We have let X already, they will let Y. So you can write here average age of old members, 11 members, right? Average age of old team members is equals to what? Let it be A. Before it was A only, okay? Now total is what we should do. Average age.
Yes, sir. Sir, in this you will have a lot of variables, sir.
Wait.
3 variables.
So total average age of old members is A. It means total 11 members. So I'm writing here 11A. Okay. And suppose two members are like this. Two members are like 30 and 32, correct? And here I'm writing total 11 members are means like 8, 11, 9 members are there.
Sir, and 9 member is S, sir. We can write.
S9 I written here because 9 members have taken S9 plus 30 plus 32 is equal to what? 11. This much understood, children, or not?
Yes, sir.
What I have written here, S9 means we are not having 30 and 30. We don't know only which 9 members are there and of what this thing age and all. So these are common. We have to remove 30 and 32 because they are going out. That's why I'm mentioning separately to them. Okay. Why we mentioned this separately? Because we are going to remove these two people. Now what is happening here? S9. Okay. 9 papers are same. They are not removing out. And plus 2 new members are coming, X and X. So 2X you should write. Is equals to what is happening? 11A. And this whole thing is what? Whole thing is reduced by means 22 directly you can write, correct? S9 as it is you write plus 2X means total average is reduced by how much? Reduced by 2. So 2 is nothing but 2 should be subtract from every members, right? It's clear. 2 should be subtract from where? Every members.
No,
So
sir.
the total average is decreases by 2, right? The total thing.
Yeah, average is
So
decreased by
why
2.
will you subtract it by?
Sir, I did not understood.
See why you are
So
subtracting.
I
you are
can
saying.
understand into 11 part.
Okay, see, first of all, suppose average is 11A, you have written is for 11 members. And if you are, these two people are going out, these two people are going out. So what is happening? This total average is going to reduce by 2. And 2 is nothing but suppose people age are suppose 25, 25, 25. So those 2 is going to affect on each and every people in the team. Can you understand that? This 2 age average is decreasing by 2, but this
So how will
2,
it affect, sir?
see total average is reduced by 2. No,
Sir, you're
Nihar.
adding already 2 members, so why are you subtracting from the other side? I didn't get that.
Same thing I'm discussing right now again. See, first these 2 members are going out. 30 and 32 members are going out. 2 members are coming inside. After coming these 2 members inside in the team, what is happening? Tell Hania. Overall average 2 is reducing, correct?
Yes.
So,
Yes, sir.
so before
yes.
before it was suppose 11A average. So average reduces by 2 means what? 2 years is reducing from each and every people or not? Average means for all people.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
So that's why 2 into 11 I've written because there are 11 members and 2 years is subtracting from everyone. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Here you are just confusing by reduces by 2. They have mentioned is why we are not writing only -2, right, Hania? Why we are writing into 11,
sir.
correct?
11.
So this see Hania, this 11 is nothing but average. Average means complete people.
Yes, sir.
And complete people average is reducing by 2. If you reduce only 2 from them, what will
Yes, sir.
happen?
I understood now.
Suppose there are 5 years, 3 boys are there. Okay. So right now your average is 5 only, correct? Average is 5 only.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
now what is happening? 5 and 5 are removed. So now new members are joining here and they are of 2 years of age. Now what is the average of this? 9/3. That is answer is what? 3 only.
Yes, sir.
So total average is reducing by 2. So you should
2.
multiply. So what is happening here? 2 you are reducing means 2 into 3 should do. No, the 6 we should subtract. Then only you'll get, right? 6 we subtract, then only. No, see here we are reducing it by 3, and here also we reduced by 3. Then only 6 is coming. Correct. That's why this 2 is going to multiply with 11 because average is reducing by 11. Sorry, average reducing by 2. Means 2 years is reducing from all the 11 members, not only 2. Understood? What
Yes,
is
sir.
now is clear, Nihar, or still doubt?
Sir, now it's clear, sir.
Okay. Now I think you can solve this question now. Now you can solve. So equation 1 is this one. And equation 2 is this one. You can solve these 2 equations. So if you solve, if you subtract, what happens? Why something happened? Wire problem here. It's going on. Now S9, if you subtract this, what will come here? Minus you should write. Here also minus you should write. Here minus, and here you should write plus. Correct. So S9, S1 will get cancelled. Then you should write 30 plus 32 minus 2x is equals to 11. 11 also will get cancelled. And you should write 22. It's clear? So 62 minus 2x is equals to 22. So 2x is equal to 40. So x is equal to 20. Is it clear how 20 is coming?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sai Ritvik, are you there
Yes,
in the
sir.
meeting? Sai Ritvik,
Yes, sir.
why you are offing your camera?
Sir,
How
it
much
went off by mistake.
by mistake?
Yes, sir.
Shriyanvi, it's clear to you?
Hello, sir. Yeah, it's clear now, sir.
Okay, fine. Now question number. So these are the good questions actually.
So, but sir, this question are not in 9th, sir. Any concept.
In which class there is then? This one?
In 8th and 7th, sir. 8th, 7th.
8th and 7th. They'll die off if they get these type of questions.
Sir, but I didn't get this in 8th or 7th also, sir.
Which one you didn't get? Sai Ritvik? Sorry.
Sir, this question I'm saying I didn't get in 8th or 7th also.
Yeah, it's
I
not
did
there.
not see this question.
It's not there only. How will get? Mean part children are reading in class 10th. That is mean. Now see this question number 5th. If a point C lies in between A and B, then AC plus BC is equals to what? This is very, very easy question.
AB, sir.
Yes, sir. AB.
Sir,
Yeah,
AB.
AB is the correct answer. AC is line between the AC. AB is a line. Between AB and C is here. So AC and BC, if you add, you'll get complete line. Understood, Sai Ritvik? Satvik?
Yes, sir.
So next question is question number 6. The number of ways of writing the number 1 by 15 in the form of A by 3 minus B by 5 is
Infinitely many.
how?
The linear equation in 2 variables.
So how you can write? You can write it in different way.
To variable infinity many solutions, sir.
Yes, sir. That's even I told that.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So this, if you want to write in form of this one, so A and B value can be so many, right? To get 1 by 15, correct?
Yes, sir. If we put the value of A, then we get B. If we put the value of B, then we get A.
Correct. So what do you do? Put value of A anything your wish. You put 0 also, no problem. You'll get value something. Again, change value of A. You'll get B something else. Okay.
Yes.
So the number of ways
Yes.
of writing is how much? Infinitely many. Okay. Infinitely many solutions. Next question is the linear equation y is equal to 2x plus 3 cuts at y axis.
Sir, it should be 0, sir, I guess.
Which one?
Sir, sixth one.
Why?
Sir, LCM.
LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. After
15,
that,
sir, so it should be 0 only, yes, sir.
why 0? Here
Sir,
is
you
15.
put any value of A. No, wait, sir, 1 minute, sir.
No,
Yes.
sir, it's infinity many.
If you put what? A, you put anything. Huh?
Yes, sir, I didn't put A anything. Yeah, okay, sir, it can be infinitely many.
Now see question number 7th. The linear equation y is equal to this much cuts the y axis at.
Sir, A. Sir, option A.
How? How option A?
Sir, if we assume x as 0, then y is equal to
0, comma
directly.
3.
Nihar,
But
nowadays
zero
you are offing your camera. Why? Nihar, you want to hide something?
No, sir.
Nothing is there now. That one trophy is there. I think what photo frame is there? Something is written on that.
That's of my father.
Anyway, that was you want to hide that.
No, sir.
Then next, who is there? Okay, Sai Ritvik is open. Shriyanvi, you are having problem with your camera? Shriyanvi,
Yeah, sir.
you are having problem with your camera?
Yeah.
Okay. So how to find 7th one? The linear equation y is equal to 2x plus 3
Sir,
cuts
it
at
cuts at y-axis means x should be 0, so that's why.
yeah, x should
Y
be
is equal-
0.
Y is
Sir,
equal to 3
and
direct.
sir,
Y
we can
equals
put
3.
value and also get stuff.
So y is equal to this one will answer.
Yes, sir.
So
No,
it will
sir.
come that
Yes,
0.
sir.
So
Yes,
y
sir.
is equal to 3 means
Sir, we said A option. Sir, we can get by putting value also, sir. On
Huh?
y place 0 and on x place 0.
Yeah, if cutting the y axis, then x is equal to 0. If cutting the x axis, then y is equal to 0. Remember that. Okay.
Yes.
Next question is question number 8th. If a point C be the midpoint of line segment AB, then AC is equals to BC is equals to dash AB.
Half of AB.
Or half.
Half of it.
Sir,
Half.
half.
So 1/2 of AB.
Yes, sir.
Nishan,
Yes, sir.
what is the answer for this? A and B. C is exactly midpoint of this. So AC is equals to BC is equal to dash of AB means half of AB. Half of AB if you do, you'll get AC or BC, right? You can't write twice.
Yes,
Suppose this is 4 centimeter, you can put also this is 4, this is 4. The total become 8. How 8 will come? 1/2 into 8 you do, then only get 4, right? If you want to put the value, that
Yes.
also we can do. Now question number 9th. This is an easy question. Two comma 1 is a point which belongs to the line. Means simply you put the value and get the answer in x and y. X you put 2, the y should come 1. So first will never be answer. Second also will be
C.
not
C, sir.
Sir, C, sir.
C, right?
C.
Yes, sir.
If you put 2 into 1 is equals to 2. Nishant, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
So C is the correct option, because if you put here 2 into 1 is equals to 2. So X is 1 and this is Y. Sorry, this is your Y and this is X. Yeah.
Sir,
So-
it can be taken as B also, right? You can take Y as 2
Y
and
is,
X plus 1 is equals
We
to-
can't take Y as well.
see, this is X all the time and this is Y all the time. Okay, Hania.
Yes, sir. got it.
We can't interchange. First one is always X and second one is always Y. Next one is two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the dashed line. What do you mean distinct?
Yes, sir.
Distinct mean what?
To a different line.
Different, you are saying different line. Priyanshu?
Sir, A.
Same line. What is the meaning of this? Distinct means what? Different, right? Distinct means different.
Yes, sir.
Oh, so, okay, sir.
Yes,
Then it
sir.
will be A, sir.
Yes, sir. Same.
So two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to
To the
the
same.
same line, right?
Yes.
So if this is your thing, two distinct lines, distinct means different lines. Intersecting lines is this is first and this is the second. So this is parallel. This is intersecting line. Cannot be parallel to the same line. Obviously, same line ka to kabhi never it never be parallel, correct? Different line it may be parallel like this. It may be parallel, correct? So, but the same line it never be parallel. So next one is question number 11th. One set of ordered pair. One set of ordered pair which belongs to a straight line represented by an equation y is equals to this is. Ordered pair means you know no ordered pair. Put the value of x and y, you should get it should come equal. Okay. Put the value of x is equal to 1, you should get 1 only. That first option is only correct. Correct.
Yes, sir.
If you put x is equals to 1, you will get y is equals to
Option.
1 only, right?
Sir,
What
but
are
is
the-
it always having to be equal to 1?
Not always, depending on this formula. This one, you are putting the value of x and y. No, this is x, this is y.
Okay.
So if x is equal to 1, you put it should y should come 1 only. Then only it's correct, otherwise not. Okay.
Understood, sir.
Not all the time. Next, the axis on which, see the question here on the board only. The axis on which
So negative, so negative y-axis.
Y-axis.
So negative y-axis.
Sir, negative Y-axis, sir. Option D.
0, -4. The minus is your y, right? The
Sir,
negative y.
Y-axis.
Negative y, right?
Y-axis.
Yes, sir.
Nishant, is clear to you what we are discussing over here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And next, Vivek, you are not answering at all. What happened to you, Vivek?
Yes, sir.
You are not answering. What happened? You are not understanding or what?
No, sir, I understood.
Understood. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See this question number 13, children. Question number 13. The equation representing the graph, the given graph is.
Sir, it will take time, sir, to do it.
It will take time. See, these are parallel lines. Can you see these are parallel lines? So
Yes.
what are the
Yes,
equation
sir.
of what are the equation of parallel line? I told you a1 by a2 is equals to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. I told you, no, this is the equation for what? Parallel lines, right? So A1 by
Yes, sir.
A2 means if you see here 7 by here 2, they see here. X and X you should compare. 7 by 2 means minus 7 by 2. And here is 2 and 1 is there. 2 by 1. So this is not the answer before only. Right? So first will not be the answer. Now second, third you can check accordingly.
Sir, answer will be D, sir. Sir, answer will be D option.
Yes, sir.
Sir, option D.
Yes, sir. Option D.
Option D.
So D is the correct answer, children. Is it D option you are saying, Priyanshu?
Yes, sir. Option D,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So here if you check 3 by 6 is
Option
coming.
D.
3 by 6 minus 3 by 6 is equals
So
to
B1 and B2 can be anything. So like, can we interchange the values of B1 and B2? So if I take B2 as B1 and B1 as B2, then it can be possible, right?
no, that you should not do. If you're saying this one first equation, either you change the equation or not a problem. Complete I should take, you should take. Either this one be A1, A2, A1, B1, C1. Or this one be A1, B1, C1, your wish.
Yes, sir. That's what I was asking.
Yeah, equation you can interchange, not a problem. You can't take means A1 from here and B2 from B2 from here, not like that.
Yes, sir.
That you can do, no problem. So as per this thing, this is only coming where A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and C1 by S and not equal to C1 by C2 is coming. But it will be a problem when when it will be a problem. If two things are coming like that, will be a problem. Okay.
Then we can solve and check.
Yeah, then you should put the values and should check over here. Suppose you are putting this one. So -2 -1. So put here 3 into -2 and 4 into -1. So -6 -5, sorry, +4. It should come to here. Is not coming, means here it should come. So 8 into -1 -6 into -2 is equals to 4. So -8 plus 12.
Over there it's working.
So this is the equation which is satisfying this one. This second equation satisfying the first line. This line is satisfying. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, like that you can check after that also. If two answers are coming in that way. So anyone having doubt in this? Vivek, it's clear to
Yes,
you?
sir.
Vivek.
Yes, sir.
Now children, what question I'm asking now, right now? Now you solve by yourself and just tell me in the chat box which one is correct, okay? Wait, let me see the question now. Write in the chat box. See. Ordered pair that satisfy the equation x plus y plus 1 is less than 0 is -2 plus 0, -2 plus 1, -1 is less than 0. 2 minus 4, 2, 3. So both B and C, right?
Option D, sir.
Yes, sir. Option D.
Option D. Both B and C. It's clear to everyone? Why it's T?
Yes, sir. So it's easy only.
Yeah,
Yes,
very
sir.
easy. Means B we are putting, then also we are getting. C we are putting, then also we are getting, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question is question number 15th one. So which equation satisfies the data given in the table? So simply you put any one equation, you can put one you put here, one you put, then you get y is equal to -1. So this is not the wrong. Then here you put 1. So your y is equal to
Sir, it's
also,
option B, sir. Sir, B.
Option B, sir.
but everything should
option
come.
B.
If you put 0, then also -1. Option B is correct.
Sir, option
Say
B.
B only, right?
Sir, option B.
Now see, next question is which is having same solution? Which of the following pair of the equations have the same solution? Which of the following pairs equation have the same? You know when the same solution will come, children? Coincident lines. Do you know that?
What, sir?
What, sir?
Yes, sir.
Coincident lines will happen.
Sir,
Coincident
could you
line.
tell? Sir, could you tell once?
See, I told in the very first question now, right now. See, where once again I'm telling you. It's closing
Sir, is
automatic.
it the first one? Option A?
Let me check. First, let me open. It's got closed automatically.
Sir, I have not seen.
So the overlapping.
What's its overlapping?
Yes, sir, the coincidence line.
Yeah, overlapping one. We'll have so many solution now. Same solution it has, right?
Yes, sir.
See Nihar here. If A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, then intersecting lines, it is having only one solution. Okay. And if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, then it's parallel lines. Means there is no solution. If it line become parallel, so no solution. And third one is if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. In that case, you are having infinitely many solutions. So see the last question, what they're asking here. Let us discuss. Which of the following pairs of equation have same solution? Here x is equal to what is this? Here x is coming in first question is coming 1 by 2 and second also 1 by 2. So in here you will getting 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 x value, right?
Yes, sir.
And
So
here,
that's the answer. Sir,
and
so
here-
that's the
Yes, sir, that's the answer.
okay. Here 1 by 6 1 and here that's the only answer. Both will be same. X values are same in both the cases. If x is equal to 2, what happens, children? No, see, you know how to draw. Most of probably you people now might not be knowing that how to draw the. Actually, I taught you know in the class. X is equal to 1 by 2. How to draw that line on the number line?
Yes, sir, we can do it, sir.
Yeah, just you might be knowing
Number
that.
line.
Yeah.
So number or a parallel line towards the y-axis.
Correct. If x is equal to half, that will be parallel to y-axis.
Yes,
Correct.
sir. Yes, sir.
Everyone knows that, right? See, this is
Yes.
a line. If I'm writing here x is equal to 0.5, so x is equal to 0.5 is here. So this will be parallel to y-axis. This is the line.
Yes, sir.
And this line will be for both the equations, first equation as well as second equation. So this is these lines are what? Coincident, right? And coincident line
Yes,
will have
sir.
the same solution. One more thing you can do here. See, y part is not given in the question. So A1 is 6, A2 is 3, correct, children? Again, is equals to y is not given. So 0 by 0. And your digit is given 3 and 1.5 is given. So this is what? It's coming 2. So here also 2. Hey, who is this? 1 minute.
So same thing only, sir.
Huh. So this will be like, so this is the only answer what we are getting. That is, this both are coincident lines. Okay. Both are
Yes, sir.
coincident lines.
Sir,
Next.
so lines are basically the same, like they overlap each other.
Yeah, overlap each other means they are having infinitely many solutions. 3 cases are there. When A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, in that case, only one solution, intersecting lines will come. See this question. Anu had 6 pairs of shoes. She let Mohit borrow X pair of
Yes, sir.
shoes. Then she had 4 pair left. Acha.
Yes, sir.
Option
Sir,
A, sir.
A.
Sir, it's a very easy question.
So let's say sir.
Now angles is coming into picture now. Angles.
Sir, only 3 minutes left, sir.
So you want to leave early?
No, sir, I'm just telling.
Also reminding the class. Okay. Now angle A and B are complementary angles. Angle A
Y
is
is
X.
equal to 90 minus X.
90 minus X.
That B.
Is it clear to everyone?
Sir,
If-
1 minute, sir. We have to read, sir.
Acha, we have to read. Fine.
Yes, sir.
If both are complementary, both sums should be equal to what?
Sir, y equal to 90 minus.
90.
Sir, I didn't understand
Complement-
what is M
complement is
angle A.
See, if angle A is equate anything, suppose 20 degree. So other angle will be what? 70 degree? Correct? No, to become complement.
Yes, sir, 90 minus X. sir.
So what you have
70.
done? 90 minus 20. So 20 जगह 20 place what is there यहाँ पे? X की जगह पे क्या है? 20 है, 20 है. तो 90 minus X कर लो, हो गया. Understood, Sai Ritvik?
So what is M angle A and M angle B?
Measurement of angle A.
Okay,
M-
sir, understood.
M means what? Full form उसको चाहिए तो measurement.
Okay, sir, understood.
Okay, fine. Next question is question number 19th. At least 20 questions we do today. 20 question karo. Next question is question number 19th. The option which is not a solution of this, which is not a solution. -6.
Sir, it's
Sir,
option D.
D.
Sir, D.
Option
Sir,
D,
D.
sir.
Sir,
D
option
option.
D.
Yeah, option D. So this type of question will start from last only. Huh? Nihar? Because they will get time, no? First, second, third, you won't do last only, you get last or second last. Most of the time.
Sir, but sir, option C, sir, also there, sir.
How option C is that?
Sir,
-6.
option C.
Sir, option
Ma-
C will give 6. Minus
Yeah.
6 plus 12 is equal to 6 only.
Sir,
Ah.
6 plus 8 is 14, sir, and 14 is not
Sir,
equal to
minus
6, sir.
6
Sir, minus 6 plus 12 is.
plus, yeah.
6 only. That is correct
Sir, it's
answer.
6
No.
only, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That's
sir,
right.
that's the correct answer.
Okay,
Ah,
sir.
Only D is the correct answer, which is not the
Yes.
solution of this. Now question number 20. A things which are equal to the same thing is dashed to another. What is this? Is way what they are saying? It's very easy question.
So that's Euclid's geometry. So that's Euclid.
Yes, sir, equally.
What is the meaning of it? You know that
Sir, equal, sir. Sir,
I
parallel
don't
to each other, sir.
know.
things which are equal to the same things are dashed to one another.
Sir, are equal to another. So it
Equal,
is
yes.
Equal, sir.
Equal. So total, how many questions are there in this chapter?
Yes, sir. So if A is equal to B and B is equal to C, so A is equal to C.
Then
So-
say equal to C, sir.
So here you also we are having same 40 questions only here also. So next class I think we can finish this chapter also. 21st you see 21st
Sir,
question.
this is a sample test paper.
Huh?
This
Yeah,
is
yeah,
a sample.
Yeah, sample
Sir, in
question.
exam you get 50 questions.
Exam will get exam will get 50 questions, right?
Yes, sir, 50.
Okay, and total questions will be?
Sir, option C, sir, incorrect, sir.
So total is only 50. Marks are
Okay. Here see ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 doesn't
option C,
represent
sir.
the equation of a line. If this will be read before also, I think.
Yes, sir, it should be option C.
Yeah, if a and b become 0. Hey, but this is c is equal to 0 is a line only now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
so that's
option,
correct, no, sir.
option B, sir. I think.
Sir, so that's correct, right?
Which one?
Sir, C is equal to 0, it can be a line. No, so it can't be option C.
C is equal to 0, how it will be a line? C is equal to 0 is a line. It's on axis only now.
No, sir, if you take x plus x is equal to y, it's a line. And C is equal to 0 in that.
This both are 0 only, right?
Yes, sir, it cannot be both. Both of them cannot be 0.
Both of them cannot be 0, correct? This is your constant, no?
Yes,
Yes.
This is the constant term, right?
Sir, it should be A is equal to not 0, B is equal to not 0. The general form.
So this is the only answer, which is not represent the solution. When C
Yes,
is any value, like 2 is equal to 0 or 0 to what is this is not a line only, right?
Yes, sir.
So people will confuse C is equal to 0 if you put no, that people may confuse. Actually, x is equal to 2 may be line, x is equal to 0 is also a line, you can say. Okay.
Sir, so option D, sir.
The x is how is x equal to 0 line?
That same axis only, coordinate only.
Just so it won't be a line, no, it will be only a point.
See, x is equal to 0.
It will be parallel to y-axis. Okay. No, sir, it will be a point only, sir.
See, if you're talking in one variable, then it will be a point. If you're talking
No, sir,
in two,
if you have two variables, okay.
Then total line will come, no, in that. Whole x-axis will
But
come.
the line will come on x-axis only, no? So it will, okay.
Wait, I'll tell you.
Sir, it's the equation of y-axis. X is equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis. Yes, sir, I got it.
So here option C is the correct answer. Option C. If you tell here x is equal to 0, it means this whole line is what? This whole line is what? X is equal to 0 only. No, x is equal to 0 is y-axis.
Y-axis, yes, sir.
This is y is equal to 0. This is x is equal to 0.
Equation of y-axis.
Yes. So this is not coming in that way. C is actually something constant. If they give C is equal to 0 and A is equal to 0, then B will be a line only. See, first option may be correct. This is also correct. This is also correct. The only C option is not correct.
Sir, so C option is only correct.
C option is correct. You have not, I have not shown you, no, in the. Okay, children, in the next class we'll finish this whole again.
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Objective
sir.
question. Thank you, children. All of you can leave for the day. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye,
Thank you,
Bye,
thank
sir.
you, sir.
Bye,
Thank you, sir.
children. Thank you.
Masti kijiye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Masti कीजिए sir. What? Priyanshu. Okay, children. Bye.